Nabanggit mo kanina na isa ka nga siya pinupush, di ba? Hindi kayo iwasan kasi kayo ni Catherine ang medyo pinupush talaga. Kapag kukumpara ngayon, are you ready for the comparison?
I think alam mo, before you even enter show business, dapat na-accept mo na yung fact na makukumpara ka sa kahit kanino. So, hindi naman yung dapat yung talagang tinututukan, pinofocus, bigyan ng attention. Kasi, di ba, you have work and you have so many good things happening around you. There's so many things, better things to focus on. Hindi na yun.
Kasi naging very honest naman siya to admit na hindi kayo close, pero open siya na maging close mo. Are you also open na maging close?
I'm very open naman to be close to her and to anybody. I love meeting new friends, new people.
Sabi nila pwede raw ma-pair ka rin kay Daniel. Are you ready for that? Na pwedeng kapareho?
With anyone. Okay ako with anyone.
Pero how do you find Daniel naman as leading man? Mapapanood ba yung mga...
Si Catherine and si Daniel, they're both very nice. Very mabait.
So open ka? Even
With
though
anyone.
pwedeng, let's say, pwede yung mga maintriga or yung mga Katniel will take it against you, open ka sa ganon.
I'm okay with everyone.